This December, Mr. Brodsky's engineering class shot pumpkins using trebuchets. First, what are trebuchets? Trebuchets are medieval war machines used to fire at castles. Trebuchets work by using a counterweight to fling the object wherever you need it to go. There are two types of trebuchets the engineering class built, the standard trebuchet and the floating arm trebuchet. The teams had 4 months, through September to December, to build their trebuchets, but some students finished sooner than the expected deadline. The students were able to use 2x4s, which are pieces of wood for the frames, steel tubing, rope, chain, cloth, and weights from the weight room for their trebuchets. The aim of the competition the class held is for students to fire a pumpkin with their trebuchets as far as they can in the field behind the school. Students Colin and Braylon won as they fired their pumpkins 176 feet, further than all of the other students in the competition. But the most interesting design was by Jason, Nick, and Logan. They had a very complicated design and had the potential to go past the class record, but the trebuchet kept breaking each time they used it. Mr. Brodsky has advice for the next class to do this project. Choose a team you can work well with, and make sure you have a complete and well thought out design. These trebuchets were very impressive, and we continue to be inspired by the ingenuity by the engineering class run by Mr. Brodsky, and we hope to continue seeing their growth.